Hey everyone, welcome back in for today's video. This is Simple How-Tos by J&A, and today we're going to be going over how to eliminate moisture problems in your bathroom, shower, and other rooms in your house. So this is our master bathroom, and we had some moisture problems recently when we first moved in. And there's a couple things we did to help try to fix it. So we had moisture problems where we'd see water on the walls. It would feel really humid in here after we got out of the shower, and there was a little bit of mold growing as well. So a couple things we did. I don't know if you can tell, but if you look at the walls, they're a little bit shiny. So what you can do is you can kind of feel on your walls, and if they feel really slick, then you might be good. But if not, you might not have semi-gloss finish on it. So if you know your paint color, that's great. You could go to Lowe's or Home Depot or Sherwin-Williams, wherever you want to go to get your paint, and you could get some semi-gloss paint and paint over it. This really works well because it doesn't allow the moisture to penetrate the walls. And what we noticed is there was no water, on the walls whatsoever when we got out of the shower, unlike there had been before. And also, it didn't feel as humid in here after we did that. Another really good idea is to get a dehumidifier. And it might seem like, it's going to fill up really fast and that you're always going to have to empty it, but it's not really that much extra work. And to not deal with the mold, honestly, it is much better. And this one, it's got a pretty good sized reservoir. You can see it's got some decent water in there. But all I do is I just empty it out maybe once every other week, maybe once a week, and just put it right back in, dump the water out, and then there's like a little filter on the back that sometimes I will clean, but pretty easy to do that as well. And this one has got a couple of different settings. I just turned it off, but it can really help with the water as well. And trust me, you're going to be emptying it out a lot less than you think you will be, especially if you get a decent sized reservoir. So if you've got any kind of moisture problems in your house, I would highly consider, a dehumidifier and repainting your walls to get a semi-gloss finish. So if you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to just subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.